Hello YouTube, welcome to Crepes Academy. Today we will learn our first tutorial introduction to HTML. So let's get started. So what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Do you know how the web pages are made? Yes, web pages are made with the HTML. HTML is used for creating web pages. It tells the browser how to display the page, like when we code in the HTML program, the tags we use in the program, like p tag used for paragraph, br tag for breaking the line. With the help of them, the HTML language tell the browser how to display the page. For execute the HTML file, we save the file with the extension of .html. Like, let's take the example. Image are saved with the extension .png, .jpg, .jpeg, and furthermore. So that's how the HTML page is saved, and with the extension of .html, we execute the pages. So let's talk about the history of the HTML. Tim-Berners-Lee discovered HTML. You can pronounce in your way. I pronounce like Tim-Berners-Lee. So HTML have six versions till now: HTML 1.0, HTML 2.0, HTML 3.0, HTML 3.2, HTML 4.0.1, HTML5. That is latest version we will use in our further videos for introduce the HTML. So in our next video, I will tell you how to install Visual Studio in your laptops or PCs, and then we start coding in that. Thank you.